Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Hyundai Accent. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Park your car on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake. It is crucial to place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will stay on the ground. Also, ensure you have all your necessary equipment ready: a reliable jack, at least 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Now, let's locate the correct jack points on your Hyundai Accent. The most accurate information will always be in your vehicle's owner's manual, so please refer to it first. Generally, you will find the front jack points just behind the front wheels, often on the reinforced pinch weld. Similarly, the rear jack points are usually situated just in front of the rear wheels, also along the pinch weld. With your jack points identified, it is time to lift the vehicle. Carefully position the jack directly under the chosen jack point, ensuring it makes solid contact. Begin to slowly raise your Hyundai Accent. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is approximately 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Immediately place a sturdy jack stand securely under a strong part of the vehicle's frame, close to the jack. Once your work is complete, it is time to safely lower your Hyundai Accent. First, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stand, confirming it is stable and secure. When you are ready to remove the stand, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack. Carefully pull the jack stand out from underneath. Finally, slowly and steadily lower your vehicle completely to the ground, then remove the jack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.